Now let's move to subcontracting. We have two options, either under the project, under transaction we have measurement and work order for subcontracting, or under the purchase section we have subcontracting. This work order means the subcontracting work order. Click on new to create a one. Select the subcontractor. For creating a new subcontractor, come to the vendor section and then create a name for the subcontractor and select the checkbox for subcontract. The subcontractor will be displayed only if the checkbox is ticked. So select the checkbox and you can give the additional details like address, phone number and like that. Also, if you want to separate the accounts for subcontractor, you can give it under this accounting section. Here you can give the accounts receivable and accounts payable separately for subcontractor if you want to. This is handled by the accounts department, so communicate with them and add the accounts receivable and accounts payable. The accounts payable will be the default account for payable section. If you want to create a new account, you can create it. Now I am selecting one here and saving that. Then come to the work order, click on new. Now you can see that the created subcontractor comes under the section. Next, select the project, the task, and select the corresponding cost BOM. Then click on add products. This will list all the subcontracting and labor section that we added in the corresponding cost BOM. The labor section is coming because when budgeting we will be planning to do the labor by ourselves, but in future if you want to give it to subcontracting, we can give it by this. This will be helpful when there is a change in running time. So both the labor and the subcontracting will be coming here. And here you can see the rate which is coming from the rate defined in the cost BOM. If you want to change it, you can change that. We can add the columns here like task, description, cost BOM, like that. Also there is an option to select multiple cost BOM if you want to. You need to select this only if you want to. Also you can see the budgeted rate for that particular labor or subcontract in the BOM rate field, and then click on review and approve that. Then comes the subcontract measurement based on weekly or monthly. You can add it here. Click on new to select a new document. Select the subcontractor, the corresponding project and the corresponding work order number. Then click on get products. Now the work order details will be displayed, and under the present quantity we can give the quantity like measurement. If it's a partial quantity we can give like 24 or what our measurement is. Give like 5. If it's not worked, we can add it like 0. Then it will display the work order amount, also the previous and cumulative. In this case this is the first measurement, that's why it's only showing the present quantity. Now click on review and approve. Then we need to create the bill against the measured work order. Click this create bill only if you want to create a bill for the accounts department against this measured work order, or else you can stop until that. And now I am creating a new measurement for the same project, and I click on get product. You can see the previous and the cumulative value coming. You can see the cumulative value updating if I add the present quantity. Cumulative means the total measured value until now. Also you can see the cumulative total amount here. Also you can see the present amount as well. For this present amount we will be creating a bill when we click on create bill. That's all with the subcontracting module. Thank you.